Hi, so we got our room a little bit early. We do have room keys. They don't give you bands. So we're gonna get the room key and we're gonna take a tour of the room. So follow me, welcome to my crib. I've got a beautiful birthday sign. My birthday was last week, so we are celebrating this weekend, so. Come on in. I'm a little drunk, sorry. So to my right, we have some storage space. Got some robes, some slippers, his and hers, and then an umbrella. We did get a little bit of rain earlier, so that'll come in handy. Over here we have more storage space and cabinets, the ironing board, and then if you want to do laundry service, you can, but I don't know who does that when they're on vacation. I've never had. And a beautiful towel rack. This is really cute. You got a bunch of towels here so that you can use. Over here we have our shower. Looks like a rain shower, right, babe?
Both.
Yeah, rain shower and a shower head. It's very spacious, very private, so really nice. This is really nice. We have a his and hers sink, soap, some dental kits, shower caps, vanity kit, shave kit, etc. So it is full of stuff that you would need when you're here. But I like that it has this extra space over here with a lighted mirror so I can do my makeup for later tonight because I think we're going to have a special night tonight.
Maybe.
And then over here we have the toilet, which is nice and private for his office. So I'm like that it's nice and private so I don't have to be part of that. So very cool. But then let me show you where the magic happens. Come on over this way. We have a king size bed. Our room is a ocean view. What's it called that we're at?
Partial?
Preferred Club.
Oh.
Preferred Club. Ocean view. King size. It's got the king bed. It's got a sitting area. And then over here we have a little seating area where you can order some food and eat there, or if you're having somebody over for drinks or whatever, that's a nice little space. I'm not sure what this is. It's just like an open space, but I think you can use it to put like extra stuff or whatever. I'm not sure. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so I got some M&Ms and some Pringles, which just happens to be my favorite snacks. And then here we have your waters, Dos Equis, Amstel Ultra, Fanta, Coke. So they'll fill that up. And then our concierge said that they would refill that anytime we needed to. And here we have just some more storage, extra pillow cover, and then the safe, which we always use when we are in Cancun. You have your Nespresso machine, which I don't think we've ever used, right?
Never. We go down to the coffee shop.
But it is there. If you're an espresso drinker, it's there. We have a nice big TV. Over here, an ice bucket, glass, and then a full-length mirror. But every time I go to a resort, I always want a view. That is my favorite part of any room review. So, oh wait, let me show you.
This is where the magic happens.
This is where the magic really happens. They have this, what do you call this, lounge?
A Beetlejuice chair.
It's really cute. We tried it out earlier. It's great. So if you want to relax, read a book, this is the place to be.
Very relaxing.
But my favorite place of any resort when I go to do a room review is the view. So we did get the King Preferred Club Ocean View. They did not have any ocean front, but we did Ocean View, which includes a view of the bay also. So let me show you that and you will fall in love. We have the view over here, which is your ocean view. And if you notice, there is no sargassum, which we were really worried about, but it has been amazing. The view is just fabulous. I love it. Take a look. And this way is the bay. I mean, it can't get any better than this. You have a bay view. I hear the sunsets here are just intoxicating, so I cannot wait for that later this evening. Also on the balcony, you have two seating areas. You have two chairs and a table, and then just a lounge area. Very, very pretty. These doors open up long ways. So let me show you. It's something that I have not seen at other resorts that we stayed at, and I think I love it. I think I'm gonna get some for my house. So there you go.